done? Where is he?
And this time, the truth.
Not sure.
George,
Wow.
It is never okay to lie to your parents.
But is it okay to break a promise to your brother?
It's wrong to promise your brother that you'll lie to your parents.
George, listen to the tone of my voice. I want you to tell us where Stuart is.
But it was a promise, brother to brother.
George, I understand. I have a brother. But whatever I promised him, if he was in danger, that will matter more to me than the promise.
George, how would you feel? How would we all feel if anything happened to Stuart?
He's at the testing building. Dad?
What?
Am I in trouble?
No, son. You're in big trouble.
Snowflake. Snowflake.